This literature kit on Esperanza Rising by Pam Munoz-Ryan describes the hardships of starting over during the Great Depression. We include 55 pages of useful activities for student teaching and comprehending this novel study guide for grades 5 to 6. We include vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Put events in order as they happen immediately following the death of Esperanza's father. Students put themselves in Esperanza's shoes and describe her changing viewpoints as she becomes exposed to the lives of those poorer than she once was. Determine whether a strike will cause conflict later in the story based on what is already known. Make predictions on the outcome of Esperanza's attempts to get a job. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Compare the mythological story of the Phoenix to that of Esperanza. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Compare the different settings of the book from Esperanza's home in Mexico to the work camps in California. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.